Section 20 of Birds and All Nature, Volume 4, Number 1, July 1898. Recorded for LibriVox.org by Padma Divakaruni. A Book by the Brook. Give me a nook and a brook, and let the proud world spin round. Let it scramble by hook or by crook, for wealth or name with a sound. You are welcome to amble your ways, aspirers to place or to glory. May big bells jangle your praise, and golden pens blazon your story. For me, let me dwell in my nook, here by the curve of this brook, that croons to the tune of my book, whose melody wafts me forever on the waves of an unseen river. James Freeman Clarke. End of section 20. This recording is in the public domain.